Wanna tell them to subscribe to my channel.
You have to believe.
Subscribe to my channel.
This is the wedding program.
Yeah, wedding series.
From morning, mini, evening.
Mini Borel.
Mini boy channel. Make sure you subscribe.
That is it.
One tap, one mini boy. Oh, you mean? One channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe, love, and like.
Yeah.
It's his love for you. You want to know how much he loves you.
No rough buck. One powerful. No rough buck. One powerful. Yeah. No rough buck round here. No rough buck round here. One powerful. Yeah. Follow me.
All of us should get a cousin picture, okay?
Guys, we're leaving the club.
Nonchalant.
Stop it. Every minute, nonchalant.
Happy.
Bad Link Up 2025. We out here. Duns, G-U-D, 3-9. No ruffle buck. 444. Where's your other boy?
444. Hey, I nearly died. I was but it's a cute myself.
Where's that jug before we reach ya?
Film worse stuff here.
No, I think film worse.
Yeah, me film worse stuff.
You know when I come in this,
people, you see them here. Them here, miss her.
I'm gonna shot this still jug before she reach ya.
I'm gonna send you a picture of the garbage bin.
Girl, what you know?
No, what's your?
What you know?
Man, no for that feel.
No, girl.
Man, no for that feel.
You think so? Watch there.
Okay.
No, sir. Them here need to go down today.
Is it how they do it?
The girl explained to me and say, at the type of ear, it goes shade. It go just, me no know.
As in the Soul Express?
What I say?
No man don't perfect, no we have our crises and our flaws. They want me to stumble like oh so what I take no pass. Want it fast. They from my school and straight up into the bus. They make up. Want it fast. You say the boy say that you know me and
Stop to get something to eat.
No soup, chicken.
No.
Yeah, more chicken too.
So you're on the YouTube channel.
Yeah?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Get your puppy by its own. If you let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Yo, what's on the man?
Oh, you see it, too.
Yo, look wild.
Yeah, we're frost, guys. It's frosty.
Yeah.
One frost.
Class.
Plain, W-E-E-D, getting on my brain. Show me a smile, them send me insane.
Yeah, Astro BF.
Yeah.
Alright, okay, so it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, cool cat.
At 50 cents.
It's a cool cat.
See your money drop out there. I tell you something, I have 550 right here, so 550. I have right here, so. And I know if I want the soup or if I want the jerk chicken, but I know say I have 550 for jerk chicken. So about how much for jerk chicken?
Probably like $1,000
for jerk chicken?
Probably.
they have those places that have like plants in them.
Chanika, you see $50 they drop.
Hey, me flush my $50 down the toilet today.
You just say?
Me flush my $50 down the toilet today.
Alright.
I mean, are you there walking here and I'm spending $50? So we were on the compound. I'm spending $50. I'm putting on my side, I shorts. And then remember, I'm going to go pee-pee. I guess it's dropping my tires. I'm going to go take a pee. Just flushing.
Not true. Can't get back $50. Man, so much soup, how much?
That's all.
What kind of soup?
That's all, man.
How much fee? Alright. Give me 2.
What's the man here?
People are film carrying up. You see a film vehicle over there, so you know. I say, Daniel, go and go give me key car film car. I say, man, you don't have like a film car. No, sir.
Yeah, that's the old yeah.
Everybody eat.
Yeah, everything.
Of course.
Start to finish.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's not even
We tap chef by the black.
Top chef.
I check it out. Tap chef man, right here.
Yeah. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Like, share, comment. And all tell them. Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
You have to believe.
Subscribe to my channel.
This is the wedding program.
Yeah, wedding series.
From morning, evening,
Mini Borel.
Mini boy channel, make sure you subscribe.
That is it.
One tap, one mini boy.
Oh, you mean?
One channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe, love, and like.
Yeah.
Chip chap.
Let me tell you now something now.
Yeah.
There's a slang around the place where we bring out the place.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna make you know they go global.
What that now?
You hear me now? No rougher buck round here.
No rougher buck.
No rougher buck.
No rougher buck round here.
No rougher buck.
No rougher buck.
No rougher buck.
No rougher buck.
No rougher to no buck.
What me say?
No rougher buck.
No rougher buck round here.
None.
Gone.
I'm out.
Out.
Chip chap.
That is it.
That's rich.
What you do? Oh, whether they know.
Wanna go subscribe to me?
Subscribe to me.
Hold on, tell us.
You subscribe to me.
Go subscribe to me.
Go subscribe to me.
Just substitute to this channel here. Substitute from my channel to this channel.
Yeah.
Mini Burrell.
No. Right there, so.
Substitution.
No. Yeah.
Believe. Right now.
Right now.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
And like. Just believe.
Just believe. That is it. All right.
That's rich.
That's rich. What is it? Subscription. Substitute. Guys, we're just reaching back and now at 4:40 something. And where's the drinks? We have to get up by what, 5 o'clock or so because makeup. Yeah, makeup girl I come 7 o'clock and all of that. Why? Me don't know we go. I was just like, where did you say, Daniel?
As we reach some we
get up. As we reach, we get up. No, sir. People, just get up. Catch up. We tuning back. Hey. Hi guys, good morning. So it's the day of the wedding and we just wake up, go get something to eat. Makeup supposed to be done and all of that, so just stay tuned guys. We're here getting ready. Morning. Yeah. Me get one looking up.
I don't know that there's some food on there.
Not for growing there right now. Guys, I get some breakfast right now. Makeup girl, the panaria come and something. So. Morning. No, me.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just love.
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you.
Me just love me.
If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still?
Lovely.
If I'm in my mind at work, would you still?
Lovely.
Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to.
Lovely.
Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just love.
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you.
Alright guys, so we just finished eat and now we are waiting for the makeup girl to come. Can start face and do some other little thing. Morning! Some other little things. So you know I'll get ready. So I'm book the right so. Right so. And I'm sorry right so. But yeah, last night did nice guys. I get no sleep. When I come in this morning at 5, I have to get up back about 6:30 so I get no sleep man, but did nice honestly. I enjoy myself. A long time I go say no. Long time I go, but it was a good vibe. So now we'll just go get yourself prepared and all of that. So stay tuned. Daddy, where you go? Where you go? Yeah, Tessie Pool.
Right, I'm at the test not the pool right now.
Daddy, at Tessie Pool right now. Tessie Pool, yeah?
Right here.
Good. He doesn't get no sleep, you know?
Test the pool.
Yeah, Tessie Pool. That is it.
Pool bad man.
Yeah. Yeah, go on this one. bride. Yeah. Hey. 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 Yeah.
I'm trying to change something good in your life.
Are you going to sing today? Are you going to sing today?
Won't you come over, love, so I can show you love? Promise I've got enough to give you all that you need, baby. Bring it all to me, baby.
Hey. Hey.
I'm such baby girl. Baby girl. Hey, that's not this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't put more bread in here. Which one's good?
So beautiful.
Thank you. You like it?
Yeah.
And it look nice with the with the camera. Before. Thank you. I'll be back. I'm going to bring some stuff.
Wow, so beautiful.
Last, right?
Yeah, yeah, blush.
Yes, great.
Period.
Very nice. It's halfway through.
Change his love for you. You want to know by now how much he loves you. One thing he can be sure of, he never asks for more than your love. Nothing gonna change his love for you. You want to know by now how much he loves you. You care the whole life through, girl. Nothing gonna change his love for you. On behalf of my top brother, my beautiful sister-in-law, this is a token from my brother to his beautiful wife. That's exactly what he says. To tell you he loves you so much. Blessings and love always. My beautiful sister-in-law. Blessings. Salute her. That is rich.
That is it.
That is rich. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. That is it. That is it. That
Yes. Let's celebrate. Morning.
that is rich.
Vanessa, you sell off man over there like how Mike sell this, Vanessa? Not Vanessa, Shane? No, Nerd, you sell off man like how me send you out? You send you out over there, you sell it out like that? You sell it out
And
like
he
that?
would like it, you to add it today to your collection of whatever you're doing. Thank you, ladies. I do appreciate your
Say, piece of extra is go good on this, me say.
I don't used to be that one. Yes, bride. It's the bride to look. Yeah. She look like a bride, right?
Yeah. Wow.
That's my bestie.
Wow.
That's
Wow.
Remember the address?
Yes, baby.
Look at me, baby.
Hey, address.
Wow. Yes, Uncle, smile.
Bling bling. I don't know if